In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can find and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on the top right corner of your keyboard, select Clipboard and click on your text over here. Then select Paste on the left. To delete your added sentence to Clipboard, click on it and select Delete. To go back to your standard keyboard, click on the same icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!